Steve and Gottlieb Spiderman board, and I found two things wrong with it. Weird, because I know I tested this when it was here before. Is there was a vertical or a radial cap here originally, like on my Spiderman soundboard there, and they tend to leak, and this one did, and it corroded the trace underneath it. So I've removed that cap, and I scabbed in an axial model, which works great here. I think I'm going to do that from now on. And then the other thing I found out is, even with the driver board disconnected, your soundboard would make all kinds of sounds. And the problem was that the 7404 in the corner, that's a new one, but that 7404 had failed. I did flip both these dip switches to the open side, because that's what my Spiderman is set to. I also put a new socket in where that Owget craptastic socket was. So let's boot it. And that's normal. Now this is normal also. Got a ball served up. Let's all enjoy the sweet sounds of Spiderman as I play it one-handed. Yeah, there's nothing I can do about that one anyway. Got to get some bonus scored here. There's one. Oh boy. Now sometimes the test button on these boards works, and sometimes it doesn't. I can't explain that. They should all work because they all use the non-maskable interrupt on the 6503 processor. Oh no. Okay, look, other hand. And those are all normal game sounds that I've so used to hearing over the years since 1991 when I bought this Spiderman. I'd love to have an NOS playfield. My playfield's got a little bit of damage there, but it's not as bad. Well, there's some down here too. It's not as bad as some I've seen. And the other place that Spiderman usually gets damaged is right here at these kick-out holes. This is hard to touch up because it's pixelated, and I talked to a fella in Florida about that, but it'd be a big job. Maybe another day. Thanks again.